One of the most popular trends in YouTube is YouTube automation. And if you haven't heard what YouTube automation is, it's basically where you hire a team of people that will put together videos for you while you sit back and collect the revenue. And so in this video, I'm going to reveal everything that you need to know that goes into creating a YouTube automation or cash cow channel. So make sure you watch this entire video to learn how to get started step by step. For the best tips and tricks to learn affiliate marketing and internet entrepreneurship, be sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to be notified when I upload a brand new video. Also, click the first link in the description or go to alstongodbolt.com/start for a free unemployee handbook. That unemployee handbook will teach you how to make money online step by step. Hello, my name is Alston Godbolt with alstongodbolt.com. I'm an affiliate marketer and internet entrepreneur who has helped thousands of people across multiple platforms make passive income, and today I want to help you. All right, so YouTube automation, YouTube cash cow, it's a pretty trending topic. It's a buzzword that a lot of people are using on YouTube, but oftentimes the people that are creating these videos, they have cash cow YouTube automation courses that they're selling for you. And so they keep a lot of the important information in the dark. They don't really tell you how much they're paying their contractors. They're not telling you where they're getting their contractors from. And so in this video, I'm going to uncover all of that information for you. And in addition, I'm going to give you a range of about what you should expect to pay for these individual opportunities. Now, I've been doing cash cow on and off for about a year or two at this point with some success, and I'll tell you why I haven't been as successful as I could be. So let's go ahead and get right into it. Now, what you see on my screen is basically everything that you need for a cash cow channel. Actually, I'm going to add one more thing. You probably want a VA. That stands for virtual assistant. That virtual assistant is going to upload the videos for you. But this is basically all you need for a cash cow channel. First thing you need to do is you need to pick a niche. A niche is just an area of where you're going to create content over on YouTube. Now, it's important that you want to create a niche that has a lot of content, a lot of keywords, and a lot of opportunity for growth. One of the drawbacks that a lot of people do when they get into cash cow and YouTube automation is they try and create content in a niche that's too narrow, so there's not a lot of room to grow. If there's not a lot of room to grow, they're looking for niches that don't have a lot of competition. In reality, with YouTube, it's completely different than blogging. You want a niche that's pretty wide and has a lot of competition because that's going to help you with keyword ideas. That's going to help you get discovered in the recommended section. So you do want to look for niches that have moderate to high competition because there will still be some opportunity to find keywords within there. But what you can do is just do a little bit of searching. You can type in anything from dog to make money online to new trending topics like YouTube automation or even cryptocurrency, NFTs, really anything will work over on YouTube. So the first step is to pick a niche, and you're just going to search on YouTube for that niche. Search on YouTube, and this should be free. What you could do also is hire someone over on Fiverr to find a niche for you, but I don't think that's really important or needed. The next thing that you want to do is you want to go out and find a script writer. Now, the script writer is simply going to write scripts for you when it comes to your niche. You can either give your script writer ideas to create content, or you can hire or expect your VA to do it as well. If you're going to ask your VA to come up with ideas for the script writer, make sure you train that person on what to look for. And when it comes to the script writer, what you can do is just come up here and do keyword research, and it's simply figuring out what your target audience wants to know. For example, we could type in top dog pets for, and then get ideas that way. Or we can say top dog breeds for first-time homeowners. So what you can do here, as you can see, there are hundreds of thousands of people. There's 1 million views there of people that are looking for top dog breeds. You can simply copy this and you can put it in an Excel spreadsheet that you share with your team, and then they know that that's a video that they would create. So what you can do is you can either hire someone to do it, like a freelance person over on Fiverr. So if we look at fiverr.com, you can see we can do YouTube script writer. We can do YouTube script writer like this, YouTube script writer. And you can see that you can pay anywhere between $10 and $100 looking for someone that will do a script for you. Now, ideally, you probably want something that's at least 1,500 to 2,000 words so that you can get an 8-minute video. The key to your success when it comes to cash cow or YouTube automation is your videos need to be at least 8 minutes long so that you can add in ads throughout your videos. So if we click on this one right here, for example, 10 minutes long, he is willing to do a 1-minute video for $10. If we look at this one, it's $30. What I would do is I would do two things. First, I would come over to budget and set my budget to $10, just like this. And I would change the seller details to a low level so that people have no experience. These people are looking for gigs, like new seller or level 1. Click apply, and you're going to find people that are going to be more readily available to create these, like this one. I'll create a top 10 list, and this is exactly what we're looking for. I'll create a top 10 list. This is 500 words, 2 to 3 minutes. This one's up to 1,000 words, so this would be $15, okay? And so what you can do, and there's a few ways to do it, so we can say up to $15. Oops, up to $15. Another thing you could do is you could use a website like hire writers like this, and you could hire someone to write basically a blog post. You would just need to change some of the wording. So for example, you could hire someone that is a beginner that will write up to 2,000 words for $8.24. Now know that they're going to write the bare minimum. They'll probably write about 1,000 words, a little bit above that, but you could pay anywhere between $8.24 to $15. So we'll just put $9 here, up to $15 for a script writer. Now again, you want to make sure that you are looking for at least 1,000 words so that you can get to that 8-minute mark. The next thing that you need is a voice artist. Now there's a couple places that you can go to find voice artists. One is you can come back over to Fiverr, which is going to be really expensive, voice artist. Well, and let me show you a trick that I used to find cheaper alternatives. One thing that you can do is when you create an account over on Fiverr, come up to your logo or your avatar and click on post a request. From here, you can ask for exactly what you're looking for, and you can set the price. Now, when you do this, you can set the price to $10 and again, explain exactly what you're looking for. I'm looking for a script writer that's going to write 1,500 words. I'm willing to pay $10. As you can see here, if we look at my requests, manage requests, this is exactly what I did for one of my YouTube automation. So, hello, I'm looking for a long-term script writer that is willing to pay $10. So if we look at this, we click on review offers, there's 31 people that replied to my request of people willing to write for me. As you can see here, some people are even willing to charge $5. Now, when you do the special request, you're going to get a bunch of offers from people that don't have any reviews or very few reviews. That's okay. So if we come back over to voice artists like this, we'll get rid of that. We can type in voice artist, voice actor, or actress, and you're going to see these are actually really expensive. You can see they go from $10 up to $65, but when we put in the required word amount, it gets really expensive. Once again, we're going to change the budget to a max of $10. Click apply, and then once again, we're going to change the seller details to someone that's relatively new. So we'll do new seller level 1. Click apply. All right, so this will help filter out some more people. And if we look at this one, this person is, let's see, this person is $5. I will send a sample of a piece for you choosing $5. That's weird that he would charge you. See, look, these kind of get out of control really quick. And there's a much better alternative, but I just want to show you some of the things that you're going to have to deal with. So $5 for 25 words. If we did 1,000 words, you're looking at $200. What you can do, and what I recommend that you do, is go over to a website called onlinejobs.ph. And this is a website that you can go to where you hire people from the Philippines. Now, this works out really great, really well, because one of the first languages they learn is English. And so as you can see here, I have YouTube scriptwriter. I have 5 applicants here, but at one point I had a bunch of people that were willing to do voiceovers, and they were willing to do it for just $10. So what you can do, if we come back over to our whiteboard here, you're looking to pay no more than $10 for 1,000 words, which is a good amount of money. Again, for video editor, this is a person that is going to put together videos with motion graphics, maybe some animation, maybe some music in the background. And once again, you can find this person over on onlinejobs.ph. Now, the best price that I've been able to secure for about an 8-minute video is $17. So you can expect anywhere to pay between $17 to $20. And it's set up just like Fiverr, where you can come over here and post a job. Now, using this platform will cost you, I believe it's $69 per month, but you can cancel at any time. When you come to this platform, you pay $69, you can put up 3 job requests. Your job requests are going to be for a voice actor or actress, a video editor, and a script writer. So you're going to get all of that taken care of over on this website. Now, obviously, if you want to, you can pay these people a little bit more, but these are the prices that I've been able to get for the most part over on onlinejobs.ph. And while we're over there, let's also look at virtual assistant. Now, one of the most popular jobs over on this website are virtual assistants. If I look at my messages, I was looking to hire a virtual assistant to manage my YouTube channels, to take care of my titles, tags, and thumbnails. You can see that I had at one point over 300 requests of people that just wanted to do the virtual assistant job. Now, what I was willing to pay was about $300 per month for this, so we put in at $300. And again, these people would be uploading your videos, your completed videos that they got from the thumbnail, from the video editor. They would be doing the titles, tags, and descriptions, and that's about it. You can also request that they go out and find keywords, but you don't really need them to do that if you're going to take care of that yourself. So we'll do $300 per month, which comes out to about $75 per week, which isn't bad. Now, what I do is I upload about 5 videos per week on each of my channels at these varying prices. And the final piece that you need is thumbnail creator. I do use Fiverr for thumbnails, and as you can tell by my thumbnails, I do much better when I hire someone out for this. But you can see that you can find people that will do thumbnails. Some people will do like 4 thumbnails for $8, and you'll see that there's an awesome opportunity out there. Look at this, 3 thumbnails for $5. You click on this, you send them what you want on the thumbnail. They'll come up with something pretty catchy. 3 basic YouTube thumbnails for $5, 5 great YouTube thumbnails for $20, or you can order 10 high quality thumbnails for $45. But if we take a look at this, we go back over to our, we'll go back here, we find it eventually. All right, so we go here, and let's say you're paying $15. We'll do $2 per thumbnail. So if we're doing the math on this, we pay about $10 for a script writer, $10 for a voiceover artist, $20. So you're looking at $40 already, $42 for thumbnail creator, and that's only if you don't hire a virtual assistant. If we just looked at the scriptwriter, voice actress, video editor, or thumbnail, you're probably looking at about $40 per video. So we'll just do vid. And if you're doing 5 videos per week, you multiply that by 5 times 5, just like that. You're probably looking at $200 per week. And then you're looking at close to $800 per month, possibly more if you decide to hire a voice actress. But this can be a great way to make money if you find the right niche and you are actually consistent with it. One of the hard parts with YouTube automation or cash cow is seeing money go out the window and nothing coming back in return until you get monetized. And even when you get monetized, the first few weeks and months can look pretty lean, simply because you're not making enough money to justify the expense. So you're looking at somewhere between you're looking at probably about $800 a month for your 5 videos, and then you're probably looking at you're probably looking at about $1,100 with a VA. But this can work for a few reasons, because you're planning on making money on the back end. You're making money potentially with affiliate marketing. Maybe you have a digital product that you can sell that's congruent with what the target audience wants or needs. So we're going to type in affiliate marketing, just like that. You'd be making money with the YouTube partner program. You could make money with digital products. You could make money with merchandise. If your channel reaches 10,000 subscribers, you could have merch, the YouTube merch shelf, and then you could also do sponsorships and brand deals. Deals. You can also do shout outs. If you come across people that want to use your influence to grow their channel, you can do shout outs as well. But as long as you can manage to keep your costs, about $800 per month following these suggestions, and you monetize your channel properly, for example, like the top 10 dog breeds, maybe you recommend different beds, different food or something like that you can grab from Amazon, apply to be an affiliate from Amazon, and you can recommend those things and potentially get people to click and buy, but you could start making your money back, or at least breaking even relatively close. But YouTube cash cow channels are incredibly popular, incredibly powerful if you do it the right way. You keep your costs in line and you don't get crazy with the expenditures. I'd recommend waiting on getting a virtual assistant until you are at least breaking even with these expenses, and you've monetized it properly. So now that you know how to get started with YouTube automation, click the first link in the description for my #1 recommended way to start a full-time income online. When you click that first link, you'll be taken to a free ebook called the Unemployee Handbook, where you'll learn how to make money online step by step. Click the first link in the description or go to alstongodbolt.com/start. Watch these videos next for more tips and tricks to make money online. Also, check out my website, alstongodbolt.com, for even more tips, tricks, and tactics to make money online. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and share this video with 5 of your friends.